Shalom, my name is Reut and I'm a Hebrew teacher. For the last 10 years I've been teaching students from around the world and from my home in London. I've been working with big organizations like the Ministry of Defense, King's College London University, the World Zionist Organization, and more. In this course I will be using my experience to teach you everything you need to know in order to speak, understand, read and write basic Hebrew. Unlike other online courses, I will not teach you to speak like a parrot, but will give you tools to speak with confidence and with better understanding of the language. In my view, when you really understand the language, your development is much quicker and with long-term success. I don't only have the knowledge in the language, but also have the experience teaching it as a foreign language. I know what English speakers find difficult and the best ways to help them achieve their goals. I developed a course which makes a complex language as simple as possible. This course covers almost a whole year of academic studies, including greetings, letters, vowels, personal pronouns, basic verbs in the present tense, nouns, the definite article, and more. The course includes hours of lessons with many examples for each topic. I also added Nikud, which is a technique that helps you to know how to read and pronounce new words. In order to consolidate your understanding, I also created extra exercises to practice at your own time and to strengthen your knowledge. All of these lessons come from years of experience as a professional Hebrew teacher and are designed to be applicable and simple as possible. So let's get started.